How to redeem Eneba codes on Steam. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide for you to be able to redeem the code that you have from Eneba, redeeming it into your Steam account. Now take note that you can do this both from the Steam client or from the web version of Steam. Now once you've successfully copied out the code that you have from Eneba, say for example, you have received it via your email, then you just need to have a copy in it, copy that code, go into the Steam where you prefer it. Now once you log into Steam, you should be able to see these options: Steam, View, Friends, Games, and Help. Just choose on Games, and then choose on Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This is where you can basically input the code that you got from Eneba and then hit on Continue. Now take note that if the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will of course automatically be converted if redeemable in your region. Not all card currencies can be redeemed in all regions, and that is how you redeem Eneba code to Steam.